In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money selling Pokemon cards on eBay in 2025. If you've ever thought about selling cards but didn't know where to start, you're not alone. A lot of people throw random cards online, put up blurry photos, or don't ship them right away. That makes buyers avoid them. And the truth is, you don't need to be a Pokemon expert to do this. You don't need rare collections or expensive equipment either. You just need a simple plan you can follow. Today, I'll walk you through what types of Pokemon cards are easiest to sell, how to check what people are really paying, how to take photos buyers actually trust, how to list and ship the cards correctly, and how to track your money so you know if this side hustle is worth your time. I'm Erin, and this is Side Hustle Mastery, simple systems, real income, no burnout. Why Pokemon on eBay matters. Here's the first thing to understand. eBay is the biggest online store for trading cards. Every day, people go there to search for specific Pokemon cards by their name. That means the customers are already waiting. You just need to list your cards in a way that looks trustworthy. And Pokemon has stayed popular for decades. Kids, collectors, and casual fans all still buy cards. That steady demand makes eBay a perfect place to start selling. So when we talk about making money with Pokemon cards, we're really talking about taking what you have or what you can find cheap and presenting it clearly to buyers, what you're actually selling. When it comes to Pokemon cards, here are the main types you'll see people selling. Single cards, this means one card at a time. These are easiest to list and price. Bundles, groups of cards like 10 Pikachu cards or 20 random shiny cards. These help clear extras. Sealed packs or boxes that haven't been opened yet. These can sell for more, but they're better once you've learned the basics. The most important thing with any of these is condition, how good the card looks. A card in great condition, clean edges, and there's no bends, sells faster and for more money. A card that's worn out or bent is worth less, but you can still sell it if you're honest about it. If you're brand new, start with singles that are worth under $50. It's low risk and you'll learn the process without stressing over a super expensive card right away. Step by step, how to sell on eBay. Here's the simple flow. Number 1, check prices. Search the card name Pokemon Pikachu card 2020. Use the filter for sold items. Now you can see what people actually paid, not just what sellers are asking. Number 2, take photos. Use daylight near a window. Put the card on a plain background like white paper. Take one photo of the front, one of the back, and close-ups of any damage. Number 3 is list the card. The title is the Pokemon, card name, the set, the number, and the condition. Fill in the details eBay asks for, upload your photos, and pick a price based off of what others paid. 4 is ship safely. Put the card in a sleeve, then in a stiff plastic holder, then in a bubble mailer. Print the label right from eBay so it has tracking. That's it. Once you do it once, it becomes repeatable. Pro tip on photos and titles. Buyers don't search for rare card. They search for names. So instead of rare Pokemon card, your title should say something like Pokemon Pikachu card 2020 good condition. With photos, consistency is key. If all your listings look neat and the same style, buyers trust you more. That's why tools like Canva are useful. They help clean up photos and make them look uniform. Bonus, how to build momentum. Once you've got a few sales, here's how to grow. Make an eBay store. Once you have over 50 cards listed, it unlocks features like sales and categories. Encourage repeat buyers. Mention bundle discounts in your description. Sell cheap bundles, group worn out cards together, and sell them as lot deals. These steps make your side hustle feel more like a real business. How do you make money with Pokemon on eBay? The money comes from 5 main habits: picking good cards that look good, taking clear photos, setting prices based on real sales, shipping quickly and safely, tracking your sales so you know what's actually working. Doing these over and over is how you turn random sales into steady income. Pros and cons of flipping Pokemon cards on eBay. Pros, eBay has tons of buyers already watching, easy to start with cards your own, clear pricing makes it simple, you can scale up once you get consistent. Cons, eBay takes a fee from every single sale. Some cards online are fake, so you need to learn to spot them. Buyers complain if you don't describe the condition clearly. Prices can go up and down. So what is Notion? Notion is a free app where you can track your flips, like a digital notebook that organizes your sales and shows your profit. Just so you know, the link is down below if you want to check it out. It's free to start, and if you upgrade later, you can save about 20%. It's an affiliate link, which means it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Rather than guessing to see how you're doing, Notion makes it easy to see which cards are sold, how much money you make after fees and shipping, and how much you're really making per hour. All right, let's actually build this tracker together so you can see how it works in real time. First thing you want to do is create a new page and call it Card Flip HQ. And then what you want to do is now add a table view. So what I will do here is click it. Then what we want to do is make it a table, and you can type and ask AI anything. So this will be our tracker once we create the table. So we're gonna want to set up the columns. So we can say set up columns here. And then so we can put the card name, what card you flipped, the cost, how much you paid, sale price, how much the buyer paid for the card, fees, marketplace or payment fees. So for eBay, shipping, postage or packing costs, net profit, what's left after all costs, minutes worked, time spent sourcing. So sourcing means like looking for the card, and listing and shipping. Then pay per hour, so which is your real hourly rate. Okay. So as we're typing this information, they're going to create you a card flip tracking sheet. So here you can see the card name. It gives you random examples, but you can put the specific card name that you have. It's going to be the Charizard Holo First Edition, the LeBron James rookie card, or the Black Lotus MTG. You can see the cost, the sales price, the fees, the shipping, the net profit, and the pay per hour. So you can see here per hour, the Black Lotus MTG would be the best card flipping profit that you would receive because you're getting paid so much more, and your net profit would be $9.35. So let's see it in action. We can create an example. Say you bought a Charizard promo card for $5, sold it for $40, paid $3 in fees and $4 for shipping. So you can see the net profit then calculated is going to be $28 after every aspect combined. So we can see that the net profit is $28, and then you want to track your time. So if you spend 30 minutes total under minutes worked. All right, so now that we add the minutes worked, Notion automatically calculates your pay per hour, which is $56 per hour. So once you log a few sales, you'll instantly see which flips are worth your time and which aren't. So instead of guessing, you'll know if this side hustle is paying off or just eating hours. Quick FAQ, can I mail cards in a plain envelope? No, always use tracked shipping so both you and the buyer are protected. Do I need special gear? No, your phone for photos, sleeves, and bubble mailers are enough. Should I grade cards? Not at first, grading takes money and time. Stick to simple flips until you get experience. Here's the simple system. Sell single cards or small bundles, check what buyers actually paid, take those clear photos, list and ship the right way, make sure to protect your cards, and track profits in Notion. The link for Notion is down in the description. It is an affiliate, it's no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep making these free tutorials. If this helped you see how to start, hit like, subscribe, and comment which card you'd list first. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.